Home on the range. Oh, yeah. What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. Happy Wednesday to you. And happy range-bound trading to you. Isn't this range since October just glorious? This deep. My Lord, we are chopping. And yeah, we've had some volatility, we've had some downside spikes, we had some nice pops up, but we are just stuck in this range, and who knows when it's going to break. And I thought possibly here on Monday, whenever we had that big sell-off overnight with futures, that all right, here comes the flush. We're going to flush down in regular hours to the 200, get below it. We're going to correct 10%, reset the valuations on this thing, and then we're going to push higher. Didn't happen. Before the market even opened, the bulls started buying it back up, and we climbed back up, and we're still back in that range. Now, I did point out in my community today that typically, well, here the last time we set a new recent low on the SPX, we popped, retested the 10, and then started the next leg lower, and that led to a new recent low. So you wonder if we're going to follow similar suit, if we're going to get the same type of pattern out of that, or if we'll actually get some conviction and get a move. So here's a call, right? I don't care who it is, to the bears, to the bulls. Can we get a trend? Bears, if you want to drop this thing, just drop it. Let's go. Let's get into a nice, strong trend, because it's easier to trade, right? These choppy markets are difficult, but drop it. Let's drop it. Let's get some nice ripper bear rallies. Let's short the rips. Let's take it lower. Let's go 20, 25% lower. Let's do it, but let's get the trend. Or bulls, if we're in this super cycle, if we're in the boom, let's go buy this thing up, push it up, blast it higher. Let's get those retests. Let's jump in. Let's push it up. Let's get a trend, right? I'm saying all this to point out that trading a range-bound market is difficult. And yes, we've had some individual tickers that are providing some nice moves. We've had some nice volatility that really presents opportunities to both the upside and the downside. But this market really is just very, very indecisive. So I'm putting it out there. Bears, drop this thing. Let's go. Or bulls, run it up. Can we get a trend? Can we break out? We've been chopping for 8 months. It's time. Let's break out or let's break down. Let's go. That's what I want to see. Right? I don't care. I don't care if we're down or we're up. Let's trend. Let's get a trend. Anyway, CPI came out today in line with expectations. The market shrugged it off. You saw a little bit of a pop higher after some weakness. Gave back all the gains. At the time I'm recording this, the SPX is down about 7 points. And again, just chopping. But markets are more than likely waiting for the big data day on Friday, when we get the glut of data. We get PCE, GDP, JOLTS, you name it, we get it on Friday. So there's probably going to be a little bit of indecision before then to see what's going to come out of that. In terms of the Iranian-United States war, Trump has come out and said that, yeah, we're pretty much done. You know, there's nothing else to demolish because we destroyed everything. Iran is still talking big, like they vow that they're going to fight until the very end, blah, blah, blah. It's a bunch of posturing back and forth. So it's hard to really tell where things stand there. You have one side, the U.S., saying that it's done, it's over with. And then you have Iran saying that, you know, they're not finished, they're going to keep fighting. So who knows what'll happen there. We're seeing oil give back some of its gains. I wouldn't be surprised to have one more pop in volatility have the VIX spike one more time and then dump, and that be it, because the pretty much the end game is known right now. And the fact that Trump is saying that they're good, there's nothing else that they want to do, they accomplished their mission, that's putting some ease to the market. But it's just not enough either way, right, for a pronounced move. So we just have to play the waiting game. It's an individual stock pickers market right now, finding those tickers that have nice volatility, MU being one of them. That is a day trader's paradise at the moment. Oracle, nice move on Oracle. Nice pop, got up to, I think, 172 today. Gave some of it back. Nice little retest right now, but good to see a move there. And Adobe reporting tomorrow, which has just been slaughtered. I put together a video on Adobe earnings. Make sure you check that one out. But man, how that one has fallen. Was at like pennies away from $700 at one point in time in 2021, and has just got smoked to the downside. But they're going to report on Thursday. That is a cult favorite. There's probably a lot of people underwater in that position, hoping that it could get going again. But I talk about Adobe, my thoughts on software with the whole threat of AI. So make sure you check out that video. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, we are chilling on the range in March. And it won't stay like this forever. We won't be range bound forever. We will break out at some point. We will get a trend. It will come. And when that trend comes, we are going to ride that trend, whether it's bullish or bearish. I can't wait. I'm excited. Why am I talking so quietly? I don't know. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching the show. I appreciate your support of the channel. Thank you so much. Make it a great day. Honor the moment. And most importantly, be grateful. Take care, everyone. I'll see you next time.